Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the flight section. In flights, you will find options for online bookings including one-way, round-trip, and multi-city. There's also an offline service available for group inquiries. Let's go through the booking procedure. Enter the departure and arrival destinations, departure date, and return date in case of a round trip. Select the number of passengers, travel class, and fare type, then click on Search. You will see multiple itinerary results. On the left side, there will be an option to change the currency. This feature helps you understand the estimated cost in a different currency. You will also find filters to sort results by cheapest and quickest flight. Additional filter options include refundable flights, non-refundable flights, flights with hold availability. You can also filter flights by direct flights, one-stop or multi-stop flights, departure and arrival time, layover airport and layover duration, price range, specific airlines. If you want to share an itinerary, simply click on Share. You'll have the option to copy the itinerary link or share it via WhatsApp or email. To see Bonton's offer price, click on the Show Offer Fare icon on the left side. Flight details will appear on the right side of the shared itinerary view. To proceed with booking, click on View Fare. You'll see multiple fare options where you can check class, baggage allowance, seat availability, fare rules for cancellation and date change. Click on Book Now. Fill in the traveler information. Enter GST details if available, and optionally include travel insurance. Then click on Continue Booking. Next, you will have the option to select a seat or add additional services such as meals or extra baggage. Click Continue Booking again. Now, you'll see the payment mode options. You can book using your wallet amount or use direct payment methods including debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking, or international card. If you wish to use your wallet but the amount is insufficient, you can choose the partial payment option. After selecting the mode of payment, click on Book Now to complete the payment and finalize the booking. Same way, you can have round-trip or multi-city bookings too. Group inquiry process is quite similar. Select the From and To destination, select the departure day, click on Search. You have filter options on the left side. In the same way, you can select the flight of your choice, enter the data like for how many pegs you are looking for, and expected fare. You can add any notes if you want us to know. Our air support team will receive your request. All your group inquiry status and procedures will be available in the My Leads section. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we will walk you through the hotel booking procedure.